Yes. Okay, Niharika, can you tell me about 3-digit number? Any 3-digit number?
9019.
Come again, please.
9099.
9099. Okay, that is 3-digit number. Okay, then okay, thank you. But 9900 is not a 3-digit number, Nana. It has 4 digits. 1000 is 4-digit number, you know. If the number has 4 digits, we get 1000. So you said what you said that 4-digit number. I just asking 3-digit number. Sai Roshini will tell me. Sai Roshini, unmute yourself. Unmute.
999.
Oh, very good. 999 is 3-digit number. Okay, I will ask one more person. Sanket, please. Can you tell me any one of 3-digit number? 3-digit number, Chapnana.
300, sir.
300. Wow, very good. Very good, Nana. Very good. 300 is 3-digit number. Very good. Next, Gayatri.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me Nana, one 3-digit number.
194.
Wow, 194. Very good. That's good. Ranadeep Gaud. Yes. Okay. Just say, listen to me. Just say 3-digit number in 5 in 10th place. 3-digit number చెప్పు కానీ 10th place లో 5 ఉండాలి. Unmute చేసుకున్నా. Unmute yourself. Mute లో ఉన్నావు రణదీప్. Unmute చేసుకో. Okay.
What, sir?
Okay, now you are asking.
Repeat one.
Okay, then I will repeat. Can you tell me a 3-digit number which is 5 in 10th place? 10th place లో 5 ఉన్నటువంటి 3-digit number ఒకటి చెప్పు.
10th place లో 5.
5.
10th place లో 5. 699.
699. Okay, he said is 3-digit number, but in 5 I asked him to say 5 in 10th place. So 699 he said. Is it correct? Fatima, unmute. Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? Is it correct?
No, sir.
And what is correct?
155.
155. Wow, very good. Give a round of applause or one side one. Come on, speak. Claps. Okay. Then, so today, but our topic is belongs to numbers and that too large numbers. So we'll learn about large numbers with the help of the given PPT. Okay? Right. Are you ready? Now I'm going to share my screen. Is there? So grade 5 mathematics chapter 2 session 1 about large numbers we are going to be learned today in the session, and let's start. And now I'm going to show you a picture. What is this?
Earth.
Large numbers. Please Mute everyone. Somebody not in mute. Okay, boys. Now, have you observed the picture? Yes. So after observing, I'm going to ask you a question. The above picture shows the distance between the sun and the earth. That is approximately, that is one number. Can you see the number here? Here it is a one number. Yes. So what is the name? What is the name of this number? How many kilometers altogether? This is the number of kilometers. So now how to read this number? What will help us to read this number? So without, there is no commas, they are using some commas. 149,600,000 kilometers. Yes. How to read this number? So just now we have discussed about 3-digit numbers. 154, 906, 99 like. So how to read these numbers? Who told you that this is 100 and this is 50 and this is 4? Together it is 154. Yes, with the help of places, ones, tens and hundreds. See, if those who we know the place value system and place value chart, then only we can able to say number name. Yeah, by using our place value system, if we could read the number 154 or 999, right? So we have, this is the one number. We just read the number. We need a particular system. So that system is our Indian number system. How to read India by this number by using Indian system? Let us see. Okay. Yeah. Can you read such a big number? So let's take an example of 5-digit number such as ఇక్కడ ఒక నంబర్ ఇచ్చారు చూడండి నాన్న మనకి. What is the number is given? See, this is our number 47369. So to read such a big numbers means here we have seen one big number. So let us take an example of 5-digit number. This is the number is given. How to read this number? Who will tell? But please raise your hands, then I will ask a particular person. Okay, okay, Bhuvan, can you read this number? Yes, please unmute.
Sir,
Yes, tell me what is the number given on the screen.
14 crores,
No.
96
Yes,
lakhs.
listen, please. Okay, good. That's good. But I am asking about this number now. 5-digit.
Okay, sir, okay.
Yeah.
47,369.
Okay, very good. And I will ask one more boy. Okay, Vasista, please. Can you read the number? Unmute and.
Sir,
Okay, please
hello,
read this. Yeah. Read it.
4,730 369 rupees.
Rupees? Is it rupees? They are rupees? Yeah. Okay, good. See how many digits are here? 4, 7, 3, 6, 9. Can you tell me the places? What is 9? In which place it is 9? Ones place.
Ones,
Yeah. What about 6?
tens,
Next 3.
hundred,
Next.
thousands,
Next.
10,000.
Very good. So Together we can read thousands and 10,000s makes one group. We already learned in the fourth class. Yeah, so that we use comma here. Yes, this is one group and this is one group. So ones, tens, hundreds makes one group. It is called as ones. And thousands and 10,000s make one group. It is called as thousands. Right? Yeah. How many thousands are here altogether?
2.
Now, how many thousands I am asking?
47.
What are they? 47
Thousand.
thousands. Very good. This is,
Thousand.
read it. 47 thousands after.
369.
Very good. This is the number name. This is what I am expecting from you. But you said 4,736. So something less. Okay. But is it correct? నువ్వు చదివింది తప్ప రైట్ అన్నా
తప్పు సార్.
మరి ఇప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ చదివావా?
అవును.
Are you happy?
హ్యాపీ.
Once again, please read again.
47,369.
Okay, now I'm going to give you another number to you. Please read this number without place values. Yeah, come on. What is this number now? Vasista.
5,239.
No. That is wrong. I think so. First of all, use comma for every 3 digits. That is one group, you know.
52,100.
Who's that? Another person. So these are the thousands, and you know this 300, 3-digit number. So that we just write and do read 52,139. Okay, good. Vasista, just keep on practice. You just get all the numbers in words. Okay. Thank you. And we'll go for the next one. So to read the greatest number, we need to learn about the first 5-digit numbers, right? Next, this is what the place value system of Indian place value system. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. See, thousands and 10,000s together makes thousands. You know our 3-digit numbers, how to read it, right? So 47,369 is our, we already discussed about that. And let us go for the next. So the above number 47,369 is represented in the place value chart, right? Okay. After that, this is our place value system. You just get one screenshot, everyone. And it is helps you to write in the book itself. Notebook lo raskodaniki upayogapadutundi. Just what is the total places and total periods. We should have some idea. It gives some idea of places and periods. So now I'm going to explain about altogether places and periods. Where are the periods? So this is our Indian place value system. Indian place value chart. This is chart. Okay. Yeah. What are there? What are the places? I'm going to ask you then. What are the places here? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. See, ones, tens, hundreds together make, that is one group. The group name is ones. The name of the group. Ones, tens, hundreds makes one group. that is ones group. That we call it as period. Okay, now I am again telling ones, tens, hundreds makes one group. It is called period. That is ones period. Next, thousands and 10,000s. Thousands and 10,000s makes one group. It is called thousands period. Thousands, 10,000s together makes thousands. Next, lakhs and 10 lakhs together makes lakhs period. And crores and 10 crores together makes crores. Altogether, in our number system, there are 4 periods. What are they? Ones is the first period. It has 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds. The second period name is thousands. Only it has 2 digits. Only 2 digits. In the first one's period has 3 digits. And lakhs. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. Together it is called lakhs period. That is third period. How many digits it has? It has only 2 places. 2 digits. And then after crores. It is also there are 2 places or 2 digits. Crores and 10 crores. That is our fourth period. Crores. How many digits it has? 2 digits. Right. Except first period, we noticed that except first period, all the rest periods, whether thousands, lakhs and crores, we have only 2 periods, right? Now I'm going to give you a number by using with the help of place value chart. Use commas and read the number name without mistake. So where do I use first comma or first group is 3 places. Just carefully you have to observe this. Ones, tens, hundreds, that is one group. Lakhs, the thousands and 10,000s, that is one group. Lakhs, 10 lakhs is another group. Crores and 10 crores is another group. So altogether there are 4 groups. In the first group, only the first group has 3 digits. All the periods only 2 digits maintained. Okay, that's good. Thank you. And now let us go for okay. Can you tell the number name of the number shown above? Who will tell about that? I am going to ask you. Gayatri, can you tell me the number which is on the screen?
Sir,
Yes.
10.
Yes, I'm not clear, Nana. Can you read the number? Can you tell the number name of the number shown above? Okay, I think there is some network issues. Okay, Akshita, can you read it? Unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please read.
24,367.
Very good. 24,367. So first ones, tens, hundreds is one group, and next thousands, 10,000s makes another group. So 20,000 plus 4,000, 24,000 and 367. Very good, Nana. Very good. Then next. Okay. Now this is the number. Right. See, this is the big number as given here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. And the periods are ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Okay. First of all, how many crores are here? And Nida Fatima. Unmute, Nana. How many crores are here in the number?
24,367.
Listen to me, Nana. How many crores? How many crores? Can you see? Crores and 10 crores makes one group. That is crores, altogether crores. So how many crores are here?
10.
6 crores.
6 crores. Okay. Right. Simra. Okay, Nana, thank you. Simra, please, can you tell me how many crores are there in the number? I mean, in the given number?
65 crores.
Huh?
Sir, screen where I can, sir.
Okay, wait. Right. Sunna? Wait.
$60.
Okay, it was a small problem. Then I will come back. I come back now. Yes. So here, how many crores I am asking? Simra, please tell me about how many crores are here in the given number. Simra, please.
Sir, 65 crores.
Wow, very good, Nana. Why? Yes, Simra said is right. 5 crores.
65
10
82 lakh.
we already learned about 65 crores and 10 crores makes a crores. Okay, 65 crores. Next.
82 lakh.
Wow, 82 lakhs. Lakhs and 10 lakhs makes one period. We have to discuss it about till now. Yes, 82 lakhs.
900.
No, see once. That is which period it is?
Thousands.
Oh, then but how did you say hundreds? This is 9,000.
9,000.
9,000. Very good.
137.
That's good. So even if this much of large numbers to read, we need definitely this type of number system. Without a number system, we could not read this large numbers. Okay. So to write and to read the numbers without mistakes, we need one number system. That is our Indian number system. According to Indian number system, this is the way of reading numbers. First 3 periods, the first 3 digits makes one group, comma. After every 2 digit use comma. This is ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. 5 crores, 82 lakhs, 9,137. This is what actually want to say to you. Okay. Next. Okay. Right. Let us take one more example. Say this number. Can you? Anyone? Oh, I'm going to ask you now. Devi Priya, please. Unmute Nana, Devi Priya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you? So please read this number which is on the screen.
75 score.
Oh, just a minute, I will write now. See here, 7, 5, 6, 4, 8, 2, 6, right? Okay, where do I use first comma, Nana? This is ones, tens, hundreds. First 3 digits makes one group, I said, you know. first three digits. Yeah, this is one group. Okay, ones. Next, every two digits use comma I said. The two digits makes another group. This is thousands. And next, lakhs. So can you, is it easy to read now? Altogether,
75 lakhs,
ah,
64,826.
yeah. Then why don't you read just before when I ask you said 75 crores. Is it right? Enana, mute loki వెళ్ళిపోయావు. సరే, anyway, with the help of, if you know the place value system or place value chart and periods, then only it is very easy to write numbers. Okay, this is today the session we are talking about.